Hi guys, let's make some stuffed grilled chicken, and those are the ingredients. Some salt, some sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, some garlic, some ginger, some black pepper, garlic seasoning, and some chicken spice. Added some oranges and onion and potato. That's Chitwale's chicken spice. It's a Zambian spice. You can find it on Facebook. Then I added some oil, black pepper to the mix, the garlic seasoning. And then the idea is to add everything like into one bowl, add some oil and then mix it up. So you see there's ginger, there's soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, and make a paste. So I used that paste and rubbed it onto the chicken. So you see I'm adding some salt, and so that's me rubbing the chicken. So you rub every bit of that chicken, like the inside. I was gonna say the armpits of the chicken, but yeah, the wings of the chicken. Rub it in. Like so afterwards I prepared the potatoes. So peeled them, chopped them up, cut some onion, cut some tomato, and then put the potatoes into the remainder of the paste I made. That's the spicy paste. So yeah, so that's the chopped up stuff, and those are the ingredients I'm going to put into the chicken. So like I said, you mix up the potatoes into the remainder of the spices, just so that your stuffing is well seasoned. Don't forget to add some salt onto the tomato and the onion, just so that it also gets, some flavor when it's cooked. So stuff it up, and I use toothpicks to just hold everything together. Use anything. Other people prefer to stitch the chicken, whichever way works for you. So once I was done, I set that aside and then put it in foil. So I foiled up the fish like completely, but never forget to oil it up, because if you are going to grill anything, it should be well oiled, like I say all the time. So yeah, I put the orange slices there. Then that's how it looked afterwards. Like, it looks yum, right? Wait till you see the end product. Yeah, so full foil into the oven. I baked it at 180. Then after it cooks the inside, you increase it to about 200, but keep checking it so that it doesn't burn, because remember, you have like some sweet chili sauce in there and you don't want it to burn the chicken. And that's it, getting all browned up. So while I waited for the chicken to grill, I prepared potatoes with salt, pretty much the same ingredients. Black pepper and Chitwale's potato spice. So the other one was the chicken spice, that's potato spice. So she's got different spices. Hit her up on Chitwale's Kitchen on Facebook. Then yeah, different spices. I prepared some green pepper and onion with soy sauce, just for flavor. You can add whichever spice you prefer. Toast the potatoes. So I boiled the potatoes in rosemary and different herbs, and some potato spice and salt. So a bit of salt, obviously. Mix that up and then set it aside. So I prepared this separately, and then added it to the chicken that was grilling. So you see that in the video. Let that bake for just brown it anyway, because the chicken will be ready. So you can bake it like at 200, just for the brown look, or and then that's the final product. Cut it up and ready for plating. So yum. So you can tell that the chicken is cooked all the way inside. The secret is to bake it first before you grill it. And that's the plate I prepared. It was delicious, I must say. There we go. Some rosemary or Italian spice. I use Italian spice just for garnish. So that's Italian spice, some sweet chili sauce, ketchup, and some spicy sauce, just to make a bomb sauce for the dip. And that's the plate. It was yummy. Hope to see you next time. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.